guys, I'm playing Subway Surf. Okay, I'm a ninja. Okay, I'm playing. Come on, ninja. Come on, ninja. Yeah. Oh. Ninja. Me? Okay. Whoa. What a jump. Oh! God, accident. Oh my God, so close. Okay, guys. Mega. Come on, Ninja. You are a legend. Okay. Whoa. What a jump. It's very good. Oh. $230? Yeah. No. Oh my God. Not win. One first arrow. Okay. 1 second. Me. Wait a second. Okay, guys. I'm gonna install a Lucky Petter in SerbiSurf. I wanna be a SerbiSurf to hack. Okay, open Pager, create, modify, application, click, up. Okay, press white. Okay, guys. Come on. Come on, install it there. Oh my God. Okay, guys, it's installed. Go to Fire, SerbiSurf, there, uninstall and install. Okay. Yes. Lock. Setting. Are you going Uncle's Secret? Install. Okay, guys. Wait a second. Okay, guys. Install SerbiSurf. Wait a second. What the heck is that? It's a turtle. What's happening? Fresh movies. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Are we going home? Me? Look there. Look at that. It's impossible. Wait a second. What the heck is that? Oh my god! Impossible! Oh my god, impossible! Oh my god! It's impossible. Oh, I did it! My god. Wow. It's beautiful. Oh my god, it's beautiful. What a super lucky pattern. Okay. Look at that. Oh my god! It's beautiful. It's a beautiful lover. Oh, Americano. Oh my god. It's not. Is this? Okay. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Impossible. Impossible. It's a super. Okay guys, goodbye.